Hello, this is Mrs. Span here. Again, today we're talking about circles. We're going to talk today about circumference of a circle. In order to find the circumference of a circle, I need to remember a few things. Number one is, what do I mean by circumference? We know that by circumference we mean the distance around a circle. How long is that line that goes all the way around a circle? One important thing to remember is that in any circle, we have a diameter, the distance across a circle. And we've learned that as the size of the circle increases, the diameter of the circle increases at the same rate. If the circle decreases, it decreases at the same rate. And we learned that if we were to pick up this diameter and lay it on the circle, it would fit on there. It would fit on there around 3 times, about 3.14 times, which gives us the concept of pi. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to the diameter of the circle. In this case, then, we get a formula. The formula that we are going to use to find the circumference of a circle from the investigations that we did in last class, we are going to multiply pi times the diameter, and that will give me the circumference of the circle. Suppose I have a circle that has a circumference of, we don't know, but a diameter of 2. I'm going to multiply 2 times pi, and on your calculator, if you multiply 2 times pi, you're going to get a very long number, but we're going to round to the nearest hundredth, which will give us 6.28, and if this is inches, our answer will be in inches as well. What if I'm given, rather than the diameter, what if I'm just given a radius, which is half of a diameter? Let's say the radius is 2. Then what is the diameter going to be? Well, if this radius is 2, this radius is 2, so the diameter will be 4. So in this case, instead of multiplying the diameter times pi, I'm going to multiply 2 radii, or 2 times the radius times pi. The way that's normally written is 2 pi r, which is the formula for circumference that we use when we're given the radius. So we have pi times diameter equals circumference, and we have 2 times pi times the radius equals the circumference. And we can use either of those formulas depending on the information that we're given. So today when you're working on your worksheets, working with your partner, keep these 2 formulas in mind. Help one another as you go along, and I'll be walking around helping you as well. Thank you.